Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we continue learning about quadratic equation with parameter. And for this question, we have a very difficult question about the quadratic. You got the parameter in the equation blue pen and you have to find the set of value of m for which the equation here has no real solution. Okay, maybe in the last video we learned about the parameter, how can you find the discriminant of a quadratic equation with parameter. But in this video we have to apply that discriminant for finding the value of m. Okay, before we working for this question, I need to remind you about the discriminant conditional. So for the discriminant of quadratic equation, you have three cases. The first case, when you have the discriminant greater than 0, it means the quadratic equation will have two solutions, two distinct solutions or the different solution. And when you got the discriminant have value equal to 0, so the equation has one real solution. Or maybe another calling for this one is this is solution only, one repeating solution. And the third case, you got the discriminant less than 0. It means the quadratic equation has no real solution. Okay, 0, 1, 2, greater than, equal, and less than 0. Okay, or positive, equal 0, and negative solution here. Yeah, okay, that is the first thing you need to do for solving this equation. And then the blue pen, you got here the x squared plus 3mx plus m plus 5 over 4 equal to 0. No real solution. What does that mean? The discriminant had to be value for negative, no real solution. So the conditional for the quadratic equation has no real solution is the discriminant will be negative value or less than 0. Okay, so step by step we will solve this quadratic equation finding for m. The first thing you need to do is find the discriminant of the blue pen. I mean, you have to determine which is the value of a, b, and c. Value of a equal to 1, value of b, you got 3m. It's not 3, it's not m, it is 3m. And the value of c, you got all the number without x equal to constant number, I mean equal to c. So you got c here equal to m plus 5 over 4. Okay, we done for finding the value of ABC. And the next step, we finding the value of discriminant. B squared minus 4ac is the original expression about the discriminant, and we substitution for b, a, and c. For b here, you got b squared. You should not write down like this because the square in this position only for m. It's not about 3m. So want to correct it, you have to put the bracket for 3m minus 4ac. Okay, 4 multiply a and multiply c. Of course, you should not write out like this. Put the c inside the bracket like this. Okay, and then I will expand here. You got 9m squared minus 4m, and you expand here, you will got negative 4 multiply 5 over 4. Negative 4 multiply 5 over 4, and you want to simplify, is only left negative 5. Okay, we done for finding the discriminant. The question asks you about the condition has no real solution. I mean the discriminant had to be less than 0. So this discriminant had to be less than 0. This is an inequality. This is quadratic inequality, and I have a privately video about the quadratic inequality you want to rewatch. Yeah, the first step for finding the quadratic inequality is you have to find the value for m. For this quadratic equation had to be equal to 0. So I will finding the value of m first, but finding value of m for this one equal to 0. 5m squared minus 5m negative 5 equal to 0. You got a true value of m. The first, you got m equal to 1, and 2, you got m equal to negative 5 over 9. Okay, you can use in your calculator. And after that, you find in the number line. The number line for this question will be here, negative 5 over 9, and here is 1. The larger number will lie on the right hand side, and the smaller number will lie on left hand side. And the true value of this number, true value of m, will divide this number line for m into the 3 parts. This one, the middle one, and the right hand side one. And I want to find the positive or negative part. I mean, I have to determine the value of a, but it's not a here. You have to find in the value of a for quadratic equation. In quadratic inequality, I mean here, because we got here a equal to 9. It's not 1, because 1 here is value of a for this quadratic equation. But for quadratic inequality, I have to find value of a for quadratic here. So a equal to 9, it is positive. And the true part outside the number line here will be positive. I will change the number here. I will change the pen. So this one will be positive, and here is positive, and the negative will appear in the middle part. So the question asks you about the less than 0, so negative. I want to find the negative part. Which one? Yes, middle part. So middle part is right hand side of negative 5 over 9 and left hand side of 1. So you will have the value, the set of value of m is negative 5 over 9, less than m, and less than 1. Yes, this is my final answer. The set of value of m for the quadratic equation has no real solution. Okay, I will clear something here, and here. Yeah. So this is totally so you're working when you want to find the quadratic equation with parameter like this. And of course, the kind of exercise is not easy. Another example about this one is not easy. So I hope you can understand this example first, and the next video will give you more exercises about this kind of exercise. Yeah. Thank you so much. And if you think this video is useful for you learning mathematics, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much, and see you in next video.